Welcome to Finding Fix and Flip Deals by North Oak Investment. In today's real estate market, flipping houses is proven to be a winning strategy. If done right, profit margins can be very rewarding. Beginners often make the mistake of focusing on the renovation itself. In reality, the profitability of the project is usually decided before repairs have even begun. Sure, the renovation quality and the speed of bringing it to market are very important, but you can do those things well and still not make money if you don't buy the property right. Begin your search for fix and flip deals by focusing on networking with real estate agents, property wholesalers, and attorneys who may be aware of off-market properties in your area. Don't have a network? Start building one. It's one of the most important things you can do. The old adage, it's not what you know, it's who you know, is very true. Networks aren't built in a day, but if you start today, you'll soon have a very valuable resource. Take a look at www.BiggerPockets.com and sign up for a free account. BiggerPockets is designed for you, the real estate investor. You'll find it to be a wealth of knowledge. Be sure to subscribe to their YouTube channel where you'll find tons of educational videos. On BiggerPockets.com, they have local networks you can tap into that can answer questions about finding deals. Having a network, you'll discover the world of off-market properties. These properties will not appear on the MLS and are not being marketed in the traditional ways. Word-of-mouth networking and public records are where you'll find hidden gems that few are aware of. You should develop your own buyer's toolbox. Here's a list of tools you should have. The MLS. You never know when a good deal will pop up. Be ready to act quickly since there'll be a lot of competition for good deals. Networking, as mentioned, is crucial no matter where you travel in the real estate world. Consider building a website. It's not that difficult with tools like WordPress, Wix, and Squarespace, to name a few. You can begin to develop your own leads and market your services. Direct mail. The United States Postal Service has tools that provide fine-grained targeting to the areas you know and prefer. You may nudge an owner into considering selling that wasn't even thinking of selling. Handwritten letters are dynamite. Take a look at www.batchleads.io. It's a great tool for building a successful lead generation machine. Online search. Websites like Zillow.com, FSBO.com, and Trulia.com often have listings that don't appear on the MLS. Keep an eye on those sites to find deals even your realtor may not know about. Public records. You might find that golden nugget by monitoring local newspapers and local government sites. Public records hold information like pre-foreclosures and short sales. Check out www.pulselegal.com for legal notices, including foreclosures. Contractors and builders. These people have their fingers on the pulse of what's going on in an area. You might be surprised by what they know about off-market sale opportunities. Plain old asking around. Just talking to people in your target neighborhoods can bear the fruit you seek. Another name for this? You'll never guess. Networking. You should be constantly cultivating your knowledge of your market and networking with like-minded people in other markets. In closing, being a fix and flip entrepreneur does not have to be complicated. Like prospecting for gold, you need to be willing to work hard and know where to look. Examine your current processes and begin to develop new processes to fill in any gaps you find. There is as much value to be found working on your business as there is working in your business. Implementing even a few of these techniques will net you better deals. Implementing them all will put you on the road to flipping stardom. This concludes Finding Fix and Flip Deals. Thanks for watching. If you find our videos helpful, please like and subscribe.